Hello and welcome back. Just a quick intro or reintroduce myself. My name is Aziz. I'm a digital media teacher based in London. So my teaching channel is about teaching and learning theories, Adobe tutorials, for example, Photoshop, Illustrator, lots of videos on Adobe Anime, and so many other videos. Check it out, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started on the book review. So the book review is about this book called Show Your Work. So I found this book to be really useful, and I always recommend it to my students and fellow teachers. I know you can see books here. These are my son's books. I will not be reviewing those books. However, I will be reviewing a book called Show Your Work by Austin Kleon, I think his name is. Anyway, it's a brilliant book. It's about showing your work so students who are. I always tell my students about this book because they're like, oh, so you're, I'm not sure if I should, show my work. I feel a bit shy. I feel a bit anxious about showing my work. I'm not sure if it's ready yet. I always tell them about this book. So it's a brilliant book, and in a nutshell, if you're feeling shy about your work, if you're feeling nervous, if you feel like you're not ready to show your work to others, this is the book for you, because it shows you the process of it. It shows you that it's okay if you're not ready. Keep documenting it. Don't wait for the finished product. And I have 10 videos. I have 10 tips in this video about this book. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section. Number 1, share your process.
Instead of only showcasing the finished product, share your creative process. This can help others understand the journey and appreciate the effort that goes into creating something.
Number 2, document, don't create.
Focus on documenting your daily activities and thoughts rather than pressurizing yourself to constantly create published work. This can lead to a more authentic and continuous sharing of your creative journey.
Number 3, become findable.
Make it easy for others to find your work. Utilize online platforms, social media, and other channels to showcase your creations and connect with a broader audience.
Number 4, share something small every day.
Consistency is key. Sharing small updates regularly keeps your audience engaged and helps you build a body of work over time.
Number 5, tell good stories.
Craft compelling narratives around your work. Share not just the what, but also the why and how. Stories make your work more relatable and memorable.
Number 6, teach what you know.
Sharing your knowledge and skills can establish you as an authority in your field. Teaching others also reinforces your understanding and expertise.
Number 7, open up your cabinet of curiosities.
Share your influences, inspirations, and the things that excite you. This adds depth to your work and helps others connect with you on a personal level.
Number 8, become a connector.
Introduce people in your network to each other, creating a collaborative and supportive community. Networking is not just about what you can get, it's also about what you can give.
Number 9, learn to take a punch.
Embrace criticism and negative feedback as opportunities for growth. Not everyone will love your work, and that's okay. Use feedback constructively to improve.
Number 10, be human, be yourself.
Don't be afraid to show your personality. People connect with authenticity. Be genuine, share your quirks, and let your unique voice shine through in your work and interactions. Remember that these takeaways are a summary of the book's main ideas, and for a deep understanding, it's recommended to read the book Show Your Work by Austin Kleon.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.